Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, your exclusive Chinese tutor, Sarah. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Chinese to order some meal in China. I know some of you must be a big fans of Chinese food, so do I. Every time I travel to a new city, all I do is basically eating. So it is quite important for us to know how to order all those fabulous dishes in Chinese. Okay, let's cut to the chase. There are now 3 main ways to order food in China. Let's begin with the most classy way.
您好，请问您一共几位
2位。
这边可以点餐了吗？
我要这个和这个，还有这个。你看还要加点什么吗？就这样，不够再点。
好的，请稍等。
When walking into a fine dining, the waiter will lead you to the scene and give you a fancy menu with a lot of pictures on it. So even if you don't know how exactly to say the name of the dishes you want in Chinese, you can still let the waiter know what you mean by simply pointing with your finger. Believe it or not, this way is already the way that requires you to say the most words. But still, it's super easy. Okay, let's start learning word by word. 我想要这个 I want this one. 我 means I. 想要 means want. 这 means this. And if you want to use that, then that means not. So you can also say 我想要那个. Usually we will order more than one dishes. In English, the conjunction we use is and. In Chinese, you can use 和 or 还有。我想要这个和这个 or 我想要这个还有这个。When you think you have ordered enough dishes, we usually end this order with the 3 different phrases. Number 1, 就这样 means that's it. Number 2, 够了 means that's enough. Number 3, 好了 means okay. You can choose whichever you like, but we usually will add a phrase afterwards because of a politeness. It's 不够再点 means I will order again if the dishes already ordered are not enough. The above is the first way we need to master today. How do you feel? Is it quite simple? I feel that all the difficulties are concentrating in the end of the conversation. Am I right? Don't worry about it. We will continue to review that part in our later studies. As you all know, hot pot is a really popular cooking style in not only China but even the whole world. And there are many different types of hot pot in China, such as the cooker pot boiled mutton from Beijing, Sichuan and Chongqing spicy hot pot, Chaoshan beef hot pot, coconut chicken hot pot from Hainan, and so on. If you guys are interested, I can put out a special video to introduce all those hot pot in detail. So please let me know if you are looking forward to that video. Okay, let's back on track. Although they are completely different in flavor, they are actually quite similar in the way of ordering.
你好，几位
2位。好啦，你看还要加点什么吗？
够了，不够再点。
I didn't lie to you, right? All you need to do is tick, then give the menu back to the waiter. And that's it. Isn't like super easy? You barely even need to talk. However, this type of menu is different from the previous type of menu, which has a lot of pictures on it. So you may not need to know the Chinese name you want of the dishes to order your favorite dishes. But this kind of menu usually has the name of the dishes, the price, and a small box that allows you to tick it. So you may need to learn the Chinese name of the dishes you want to eat first, or go to eat with a Chinese friend. And in this way of ordering, the waiter often won't wait next to you. So you need to call the waiter to come over again, then pass the menu back to him or she. Just like directly shouting, "Waiter!" is an impolite thing. For the same reason, shouting 服务员 out loud in Chinese is also an impolite behavior. So I suggest using 您好 and waving your hand instead, just like I did in the previous video. 您好，点餐。And don't forget to say 不够再点 when you pass the menu. This sentence is especially practical in this way because in my experience, usually you really will order again. And don't panic when you encounter that situation. Just say 您好，加餐 and smile and wave and repeat all the steps above. Okay, now it's finally time for our third way, which is also the most modern and currently the most common way to order food in China. Scan QR code to order. 扫码点餐. Is this a bit hard to imagine for you? Don't worry, you will know what I mean after watching this video. Let's go.
你好，几位？
2位。
请这边扫码点餐。
就这样。
看一下有什么错漏的吗？
If the advantage of the first way is that you can order meals by looking at the pictures of them, but you need to communicate with the waiter more frequently, and the second way is just the opposite of the first way. There's not much need to communicate with the waiter, but this is not picture to see. Then this method could be said to be a perfect combination of the advantage of those two ways of ordering. Meanwhile, perfectly avoid their shortcomings. And you know what's the best part? You don't need to say 不够再点 again. When you want to order some more, just scan the QR code anytime you want. They don't have feet, they can't run away, they just be stuck there waiting to be scanned by you over and over again. Okay, let's briefly review what we need to master today. I believe you have already noticed that either way at the beginning, it is best to let the waiter know the total number of people dining this time, so that he or she can provide you with the exact number of tableware, recommend the appropriate number of dishes, all in all, to facilitate him or her to provide you with a better service. If there are any friends who still don't know how to say numbers in Chinese, don't be shy. Leave a comment to let me come to you. I would love to help you figure that out. In a nutshell, the first way has a menu with pictures. The second way has a menu that can't be ticketed. But the third way has an electronic menu that has pictures that only requires click to complete the order. No matter which way it is, the required Chinese is pretty simple, and I'm sure someone as smart as you will totally nail it after watching this video. I wonder which way is your favorite? In fact, most restaurants in China now combine two ways of ordering. You can either scan the QR code or order the food through the waiter like the old way. I hope you can all have the opportunity to travel or live in China, taste all those fabulous Chinese food and use Chinese language to make yourself have a pleasant and authentic dining experience in China. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and share it to your friends if it's helpful to you. Also, feel free to leave your comments if you have anything you want to say to me. Subscribe to my channel and hit the little bells below so that you can be a part of our 5 Idea family and be one step closer to the big China wonderland. Keep following me and I will keep bringing some useful Chinese tips for you. Love you guys and you'll see me in the next video. Bye!